Buddy, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we're going to do a quick video walk-around tour highlighting this 2022 Mercedes-Benz S580 4MATIC we have for sale. So I'll just show you some of the features here. I'll show you the exterior and interior of the vehicle. And if you're interested in learning more, we have more information on our website. You can also even set up a test drive if you're interested. Of course, you can reach us at feldmanimports.com. So we've got a white exterior, we've got a black interior, nice premium S-Class leather and features throughout the vehicle here. We've got heated and ventilated memory seats throughout the vehicle. We've got the premium Burmester surround sound upgraded speaker package. Again, this really nice leather all throughout the vehicle. It's an accent trim also. Got our steering wheel here. And sunroof. Let's go ahead and hop inside. Well, we do have a push button ignition. Mileage just over 10,000. Currently. You'll notice the ambient LED lighting throughout the vehicle. It's all fully customizable. All right. So we got our touchscreen display loading up here. And here you can see where you'd input navigation. You've got your radio here. Unfortunately, no reception here on our little show floor here, but also got our climate menu here, and backup camera, which includes the overhead view. We've got our rear view, and then you can also switch to some of the other cameras, such as our front camera. We've got these sides. You can see we're right on the turntable here. It's actually really helpful when I'm parking the car on the turntable. Okay, below that we've got our dynamic select switch. So this is how you'll pick the different sport modes, comfort, eco, or your individual settings, which will affect how the vehicle performs for you out there on the road. We've got more vehicle settings in here too. And let's also get your seat settings here. And then your ambient lighting. You can adjust all these here within the comfort menu. So that's some of the monochromatic ones, but there's also these multicolors, which are really cool. There's all kinds of different varieties here you can choose from to really customize how you want the vehicle to look inside. There's also some of these effects. So for example, if you adjust the temperature, you can see it flashes red when you go warmer, and then flashes blue when you go cooler. Okay, and then last but not least, our shifter right up here. All right, go ahead and hop out. Show you our rear seats here next. One other thing to mention here is the retractable door handles. Super fun feature. If you have your key in your pocket, it's actually proximity sensor. So as you approach the vehicle, it'll go ahead and pop open those retractable door handles and get you inside. Pretty cool, very high-tech, just feels very spacey and fun. Now let's do one more peek back up front. Love the S-Class, just really the pinnacle of a luxury sedan. Just so much room and just comfort, and definitely a really nice vehicle. And coming around to the back, we've got our S580 Mercedes-Benz and 4MATIC badging, power opening and closing trunk, and push button to close. Well, folks, that is the 2022 Mercedes-Benz S580 4MATIC. If you're interested in learning more or want to set up a test drive, just reach out to us on our website, feldmanimports.com.